from Lodi, Ohio, here tonight with his father, Tom Huff, and the rest of his crew. Brian Huff, 43 years old, International 1066. Light Pro Stock, it's called Aces and Eights. Good sled setting. We'll see if he's going to take that if we do not change the weight of the sled. But Brian Huff works at a landfill up in Medina County area, runs a big heavy equipment for a living, used to be a truck driver, so has been running lots of the heavy equipment throughout his working career so far. Daughters, Annie, Victoria, and Whitney, and also Bill Eckenrode. Thank you to all those great sponsors for the Puller's Meal back in the pit. Our next puller coming up is Dan Gibbs. He is 59 years old, out of Crooksville, Ohio. He is a union crane operator. This is a Light Pro Stock International 1066. Called the Rebel Outlaw. On deck it's gonna be Dave Mandrake on the Red Devil. In the hole is John Cronkleton on Red Dog Unleashed. So the distance to beat at the Kale Marketing Leader flag is 293.35. International 1066. Dan Gibbs at the wheel. It's called the Rebel Outlaw. He is 40 years old, works at General Motors at the transmission plant in Toledo, has a wife named Jen and 2 children. Enjoys a lot of bow hunting during hunting season, also does a little bit of farming. He is in his 9th year of pulling tractors at some level of pulling. Has had this tractor right here for a couple years. Made his first appearance last night down at the Carroll County Fair. Had some issues at the starting line, and hopefully he got her fixed. So it was a tough break last night. Hopefully he makes a good hook here tonight. So Dave Mandrake, the Red Devil, coming up. On deck is John Cronkleton with Red Dog Unleashed. In the hole is Greg Kinride with Bad Company, our defending point champion. But right now, Dave Mandrake, International 1066, better known as the Red Devil. Waynesfield, Ohio. He's retired from Honda of America. Has a wife named Susan. Been pulling for 45 years. He's on an International 1066 light pro stock called Red Dog Unleashed. On deck is our defending champion, Greg Kenwright, with Bad Company. In the hole is hometown boy Jerry Martin on a John Deere 5020. Crumpleton's got the green flag ready to go on Red Dog Unleashed. Come on! At 3100 Delta Marine Drive in Columbus, Ohio. Visit their website at columbusdiesel.com. Once again, the home of turbochargers and fuel systems. A big thanks goes out to Columbus Diesel Supply. Thank you for being the class sponsor. Year-old Greg Kenwright is up next, ladies and gentlemen, from Salem, Ohio. He is the owner of Beaver Creek Sheet Metal Company in Columbiana, Ohio. Driving a John Deere 4430, this guy is our defending point champion, winning the title last year. This is a limited pro stock with a 640 cubic inch engine and a 4.1 turbocharger. We are ready to go. The John Deere called Bad Company. Come on! Right here from Bucyrus, Ohio, a dairy farmer, John Deere 5020. This is a limited pro stock. I believe he's making his second appearance on the circuit this year. It's due up next. On deck is Josh Lee, disposable income. In the hole is Dennis Goodman. But the Martin family, all of them here tonight at their hometown fair. One of the hardest places to pull, no doubt about that. Now, this tractor came out last year, maybe the year before, as a limited pro. And nice looking John Deere. They do not have a name picked out yet for it. But let's just call it the Green Beast tonight. The Green Beast. Hopefully on a good run here tonight. Gonna start pretty much dead center at the Great Lakes Hybrids. Jerry Martin, ladies and gentlemen, John Deere 5020. And little flutter off the line, we're pulling back, getting ready to try it again. Jerry Martin, hometown boy of the John Deere 5020. That's what we're going to do. So Jerry Martin, got to try it again. Come on! And that's got with the clipboard, getting everybody lined up and ready to go. Our next puller coming up is going to be 32-year-old Josh Lee from Magnolia, Ohio, a few miles south of Waynesburg, Ohio, which is between Canton and Carrollton, Ohio. And Josh Lee is here tonight running both of the tractors from the Lee family. He'll be driving disposable income first, and then later on he'll be driving his own tractor, the Moolah Tinker. And Josh Lee driving an International 1466. This is a limited pro stock tractor, a past OSTPA point champion a couple years ago in this class. Josh is a Rookie of the Year from 2012, also a volunteer firefighter and a grain farmer. Here comes Joshua Lee, International Disposable Income! Man, give me one! The third with Big Daddy. Built by the Carlton Cope family from Salem, Ohio. It has ran a couple times with Carlton Drive-In, and then Dennis Goodman drove it last night, had some issues, hoping to make a good pass here tonight. A Massey Ferguson 1150. Dennis Goodman, a new light pro stock. The brand new owner is up next. 3 more to go. 3 more. We did have one tractor drop out of this class and go to super stocks. That was Gary Gallimore. So we only have 3 to go. Goodman at the sled right now. Josh Lee, the Moolah taker, on deck. And Carl Way, the third Big Daddy, in the hole. The new mark to beat is Disposable Income 313.800. Seen this tractor a couple weeks ago at Marietta. Got a second place finish behind Kenride. Made a good pass with Carlton Cope doing the driving that night. First night, one of the first nights that tractor was out. Gorgeous looking Massey Ferguson 1150. And a brand new owner, a new owner this year, from Genoa, Ohio. Here comes Dennis Goodman. We'll get a distance for the books in just a moment.